Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to Zoho CRM system. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in Zoho CRM you can create new leads, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key in order to get it. We return to the Agile CRM personal account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API tab. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose Zoho CRM as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Create lead. At this stage you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window you need to specify the username and password of your Zoho personal account. At this stage, we grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this point, you see the Zoho CRM fields for creating a new lead. You can assign variables from Agile CRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Zoho CRM as new leads for each new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho CRM. After successful submission, go to Zoho and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the Zoho CRM data ingestion setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.